Welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. In this video I'm trying out this cheese pizza by Kirkland Signature, which I picked up from Costco, and it is 4-pack of cheese pizza, and it is about medium to large size, and it is perfect for lazy dinner nights. So let's check it out. These are the topping suggestions and baking instructions. So let's open this up. So as you can see, they are all individually wrapped and they are pre-assembled. That means it has a pizza sauce and cheese on it already. So all you need to do is add your choice of toppings and bake it for 13 to 15 minutes. And it is already pre-cooked, so it's not gonna take that long to cook it. So I'm going to add choice of toppings like onions and bell pepper, and jalapeno. I'm using the fresh ones, but you can also use the pickled jalapeno. And I also picked up some olives. These are extra large olives, which I chopped it, and I'm going to add this on my pizza. And now we are ready to put this in the oven. So I have preheated the oven for 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and along with it I also have some pasta salad on the side, so our meal is complete. So our pizza is ready, and so is the salad. So let's serve this. So this is how it looks right off the oven, and as you can see, it is baked perfectly, and it's perfect for lazy dinner nights where you have not a lot of time to prepare the meal. But this is perfect, and it comes very handy, and it is so delicious. Look at the cheese that stretches, and then I'm just taking a bite, and it's really tasty. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another simple review or video. Till then, bye bye.